KICKER IQ amplifiers accept both high and low-level output. What's the difference? Low-level output, or RCA connection, and high-level output, or speaker connection, are both common in aftermarket head units. In the past, aftermarket head units had good preamps, with 4 to 8 volts out. Today things are different. Not all preamps are created equally. Most simply don't have enough output and have an unbalanced impedance. Why does this matter? When the positive and negative leads are the same impedance, it's easier for the amplifier to cancel noise. Since the input signal is lower, the amplifier may or may not have enough voltage to run at maximum efficiency. Most likely, the amp gains will have to be turned up to compensate for the lack of input voltage, and this introduces more noise into the system, otherwise known as hiss. Using a low-level signal source may give you more control over the gain structure of the system, but it's likely there will not be enough gain to maximize the subwoofers in the system. For this reason, along with the higher probability for engine noise in the system, using a low-level signal source may not always be the best answer. By contrast, high-level out, otherwise known as speaker level out, is a balanced signal, and that works perfectly with KICKER IQ amplifiers inputs. This allows connectivity with speaker level outs from factory radios as well as aftermarket radios, and in most cases, no converters are required. Speaker level out can be 3 to 5 times more voltage than RCA low level out, and this allows the amplifier's gains to be minimized, again, reducing noise. Remember, KICKER IQ amplifiers can accept most any signal you can throw at them, but the fact is, a balanced signal will almost always be trouble-free and noise-free.